It is not your clients, your prospects' job to remember you. It is your job, it is your obligation to make sure they don't forget you. Hello everybody, Martin Moncayo here, the e-commerce underdog, and today I want to talk about something that is very important for you to understand. If you are an online entrepreneur, you are a business owner, you are trying to grow a brand online, and it is that it's not the obligation, it's not the job of your clients, of your leads, to remember you, for you to be in their minds. It is your duty to, make sure that they don't forget you. And for that, you have to create lots of content online. You have to, send emails constantly. You have to write posts. You have to write blogs. There is a combination of things that you have to do. Okay, the more consistent you are, the more you will be inside your customers or your ideal customers' minds. And the next time they have a problem and they know that you have something that can help them with that, they will think about you and they will probably buy from you, order your product, order your service. Okay, they will consider making business with you because of all the value that you have provided, because you are in their minds. But if you are not consistent, if you don't post regularly, if you don't send emails, if you don't post valuable content on social media, how are they going to remember you? Why should they consider working with you instead of other people who are doing the job? So that is something that you have to have in mind. And if you really want to succeed in the long term as an entrepreneur, as an online marketer, this is something you must do, okay? And for this, you don't have to overcomplicate it. You see, my videos are not very fancy. It's just me talking to my phone and uploading the video. It is me writing an email that can take me, 30 minutes to an hour. It's writing a blog post, but it's taking the time to do all those things every single day so that I be inside of my ideal customers' minds, my leads, okay? And they later on, it can take a week, it can take a month, it can take a year or more. It doesn't matter. What matters to me is provide value, be in their minds so that whenever they need, they consider working with me, ordering one of my products, one of my services, okay? So that's the message I wanted to transmit to you guys today. Hope you guys enjoy this video. I am in the town of my parents, Ancon. It was a British town a while ago. The British left, but you can see the architecture remains British. It is a very nice town near to the beach where I'm spending last days of 2020, getting ready to 2021. Lots of surprises, lots of projects, a lot of things to do, but I'm ready and I hope you are ready as well. And if you want to start your own online business, you want to learn about email marketing, funnels, content creation, I set up on my website a 4-day free training that is going to help you with that, with my mentor Sebastian Gomez. There is a lot of value inside this program, so I invite you to check it out. It's completely free, link in the description. And with nothing more to say, remember, keep moving, keep grinding, keep making things happen, and I'll see you in the next one.